The H1 error code on a Panasonic washing machine indicates a water level sensor error, which is typically caused by an issue with the pressure sensor or level switch. When the pressure sensor is out of range, the error code is likely to appear. Common causes of this error code include a faulty pressure sensor, which measures air pressure in the tub to determine the water level, and a malfunctioning printed circuit board (PCB), which controls the motor and electrical functions of the washing machine. A faulty pressure sensor may cause the washing machine to fill with too much or too little water, resulting in the error code. A malfunctioning PCB can also lead to a water level sensor error, causing the washing machine to lose functionality. To resolve the issue, start by checking the wiring to the level sensor for loose connections or corrosion, and clean or replace it as needed. Next, test the pressure sensor using a multimeter to determine if it's defective, and replace it if necessary. If the pressure sensor is not faulty, check the main power PCB for malfunctions, and consider replacing it yourself or contacting a technician for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the H1 error code on your Panasonic washing machine.